Alicia again. So, and this is my cousin. So, we just got back from the supermarket and from the store, and we got surprise eggs. We got 2 of them. Then we got a cereal because there's like a free throw in there. So the first thing we're going to open is the cereal. We got a troll, and the troll is
Princess Poppy.
Princess Poppy.
Yay. So then we're gonna do our surprise eggs. This one's mine and this one is hers.
Okay, guys. So this is Princess Poppy out of the case. I think she's supposed to stand.
Yep. No, she's not supposed to stand. So you have to press this part in her hair.
Oh yeah. I did not even know.
Cause I have one. I got what's his name? He's big.
His name is Biggie.
Yeah, I got big. This one is mine.
So we're going to be opening our surprise eggs now.
So ready?
Princess Poppy, excuse me.
Ready, set, and go.
Looking for my.
It don't have it. That's all I have.
Okay, guys. So we have our egg, and now we're going to open it. Oh my gosh.
I got a what?
So we got paper.
I don't know.
Like, I think this is like what we're supposed to get.
Let me see.
And then we have, I think these are stickers.
I don't know. I got a tattoo, guys. I got another one. I don't know what another one is.
So we have stickers. I think this is. I think we all got the same stickers. Stickers.
I don't know. I think that's a board.
And then we got candy.
Some candy.
Oh my! Ooh, I got a ring.
Yeah,
Princess
Poppy. I got the DJ one.
And then I got Branch.
I got the whole crew.
And now, time for my big toy. I got a heart.
I got.
And I'm supposed to put it together.
I don't know what this for or what.
So what did you get?
I get the heart. I got the heart. I got the star one. And I don't know what to do with it. I do not know. She has the bracelet. You have a bracelet.
I got a necklace, but I really don't know what this is for. I think it's just to put money in it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it for money. And she got a bracelet.
A watch.
And she got
a watch.
Stickers. I got 10 stickers. First, let me see if these are stickers, because I don't think these are stickers, but they say including stickers.
So, say it, and I'm leaving. Bye. I want to put my tattoo on.
These are not stickers. I don't know what this is for, but it's definitely for something. So yeah, I really don't know what this is for. This says including stickers, but this is not a sticker. It's just something. Wait, I think this is a sticker. No, this is not a sticker. Let me see my wrapper. Oh, this is a game. Oh, so we have to remember. So we have to turn them all around. This is a game, a memory game. Okay, now set them up on the floor. 3 on each row. And then 1 on the top. Okay. So this is a memory game. I thought it was just like something. Princess Poppy, do you want to go first? Yeah, sure. Yeah. So she's gonna choose. Ooh. Is it this? No. Oh man. Okay. So my turn. So I'm going to go. Ooh. Let me see, cause I think she flipped this over. Ooh, I found some. Oh my! This says pass the glitter. Pass the glitter. This is Poppy's turn. My turn? Oh wow. Okay. So she's gonna choose this one. Princess Poppy, do you remember where the other one is? Yeah, I do. I think it's over here. Do. Oh, she found the match. My turn. Oh, nobody got this one yet. I think it's this. Nope. Her turn. Do. Is it here? Nope. My turn. Yep, I got another pair. Oh man. Princess Poppy's turn. Nope. My turn. Nope. Her turn. Princess Poppy's turn. I want this one. And oh, I get another match. My turn. If I don't get this one right, then it's your then you get it, Princess Poppy. Yay! I win, Princess Poppy. It's okay. Everyone gets to win, right? So I'm not mad. I'm happy you won. Good game. Doop. Now I'm just gonna put everything back in the big egg. That was fun, right, Princess Poppy? Yes, it was really fun. I thought these were stickers, but I really don't know where the stickers are. They said including stickers. So, oh, this is a tattoo, I think. This might be a tattoo or a sticker. Let me see. Oh, I got a sticker. I think this is a sticker. This does not. Plastic don't want to come off. Got it. This is a sticker. Okay. So I got a memory game, a sticker, and a necklace. Oh, a candy, and a ring, and Princess Poppy. Everything's Princess Poppy because she's the princess.